If you're like me, you enjoy and love going to coffee shops for that little extra added experience that you receive. But what if I told you that you could have a commercial quality espresso machine at your house to brew coffee with every day? Well, my name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and today we are going to be looking at the all-new Turin Capriccio, which, if you haven't noticed, is the machine that's right behind me. This machine has been around for a couple of years now, but we are bringing it into the USA and renaming it to the Capriccio. So I want to go ahead and make this video to give you a couple of things that I love about this machine. So one simple thing that I love about this machine is how fast it takes to turn the machine on and to get brewing. So it takes about 4 minutes from the start of warming up to the machine to where you can actually brew a shot of espresso. This is great. I have espresso machines at home now that could take upwards of 30 minutes. So that's a pretty big time as opposed to 4 minutes. 4 minutes. From the time that the machine starts to the time that the machine is fully warmed up is about 8 minutes and 18 seconds. And this is going to allow you to be able to brew and steam at the same time and have full functionality for just under 10 minutes of the machine starting. That's crazy. So one thing I really love about this machine is you do have the ability to brew your shot of espresso and steam milk at the same time. This is a great added feature as many of us are in a hurry while we go to work, whether we go out and about. Every day we don't have time to wait 30 minutes to start for a machine, and we don't want to brew and then froth milk, but this machine allows you to do both at the same time. So touching a little bit on the steam pressure on this machine, the steam pressure is outstanding. If you guys know me, I own a mobile coffee business called Brewhead Espresso, and we have a Linea Mini that we use on a day-to-day basis, and the steam quality in this machine is just as good, and the steam is super dry, super powerful, and it really allows you so much adjustability, which is amazing when you look at an espresso machine because it allows you to either froth on the front or on the side of the machine. Depending on the space that you have at home, it really does help out a ton. Dispersion of water at the group head is great. It has a 1 second pre-wetting function that I like to call it, and then it goes to full bars of pressure. This machine has been absolutely great, and pulling shots of espresso has been wonderful. It's got an included hot water spout for Americanos or matchas or whatever you need a on-the-spot hot water spout. It has a super easy and removable drip tray, which feels great to the touch. This machine comes with a standard 58mm portafilter and can be interchangeable with other portafilters of your choice. It's got a really nice feeling steam knob. In my opinion, it just looks great, and the design of the machine from front to back is outstanding. This machine also has a cup warmer that gets super hot and holds about 6 cups. Some of the accessories that are included with the Turin Capriccio are as follows. This machine has a tray raiser to minimize the distance between the espresso and also the cup, so that way you're not guessing where that espresso is going to fall. It's got a group head brush with a scoop for optional cleaning with powder. It comes with a blind filter basket that fits nicely inside the basket, a nice well-built tamper, a plastic coffee scoop with an included tamper on the other side, a double and single cup basket, an included 3 and 4 hole steam tip. It also comes with an additional drain tube for your choice to either have that built into the machine, or you could also just use the tray, but you will be dumping it more often. And let's not forget an instruction manual that everyone reads. Upon testing this machine, the hot water spout is pre-programmed to dispense about 30 grams of water. The workflow on this machine has been absolutely great, and I have really enjoyed using this machine for the time that I've had it. If you are interested in the Turin Capriccio, the links will be down in the video description below. If you have any questions, please also leave that question in the comment section below. My name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.